Innovation drives smart AIoT. Wisdom creates infinite possibilities. Everyone looks forward to a wonderful life. Smart technology makes our lives easier and more convenient. Telpo is committed to creating a colorful future life. Future, it will be a connected world. We can enjoy the convenience brought by smart technology anytime and anywhere. When we benefit from smart technology, the technology-driven smart era has already arrived. The smart era is changing life, reshaping business, and accelerating creation. Telpo smart technology is changing the world. It brings us a more colorful life and makes us closer. The development of smart technology is far beyond our imagination. We should keep moving forward to embrace an endless and broader world. Development is along with challenges, but Telpo will never stop. Telpo is committed to being a leading smart AIoT company. In the past 20+ years, Telpo consistently created each product with a craftsmanship spirit. From research and development, production to sales, every single detail can reflect Telpo Perfect Quality Control System. In virtue of CNAS Certified National Level Lab, Telpo's testing and collaboration capacity conform to internationally recognized standards. Up to now, Telpo has awarded 70+ national patents, nearly 100 software copyrights, and multiple advanced patent technologies. Driven by the spirit of creation, wisdom, and high quality, Telpo strictly treats each link. The advanced production equipment and cutting-edge SMT workshop jointly lay a stable cornerstone for each high-quality product. Nowadays, Telpo has served 100+ countries and regions at home and abroad and provided the highest level of quality and service to worldwide customers. We carry the dream and usher in glory coronation. Telpo has become a national-level high-tech company, obtained numerous industry awards, and greatly recognized by the industry and customers. Every day, thousands of products are born. Every moment, numerous people enjoy a smart and convenient lifestyle. In the future, Telpo will remain true to our original aspiration and move forward bravely. We believe a small thing can also make a big difference. Telpo, the leading smart AIoT company.